Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a comprehensive guide on how to generate income using Studypool. Studypool is a hub where students can get assistance with their homework, essays, and even gain access to pre-written documents. By subscribing to Studypool, students can access a wealth of resources. And as a contributor, you can earn money when your work is downloaded by other students. So to kick things off, you'll need to set up an account on Studypool. The process is straightforward by this platform and very user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll find a wide array of subjects to choose from. Whether your expertise is in business, humanities, maths, programming, or any other field, there's a place for you on Studypool. The platform is designed to cater to a broad range of academic fields, ensuring that no matter what your area of expertise is, you can find a way to contribute and earn. So one of the ways to earn money on Studypool is by selling your study documents. You can upload old assignments, class notes, exam preps, and more. And each time a student views one of your documents, you can earn up to $10. This is a fantastic way to monetize your past academic work and knowledge. And the best part in my opinion is that your documents stay on the platform indefinitely, providing a source of knowledge to other people as well as a source of passive income for you. That means that the work that you do today can continue to earn money for you for months or even years to come. So to maximize your earnings, ensure that your documents are of high quality and include detailed descriptions. This will make your documents more attractive to students and increase the likelihood of them being downloaded. So try to avoid uploading low quality work or duplicated content or copyrighted material. The more valuable your documents are, the more likely they are to be downloaded by students. Remember that your earnings are directly tied to the value you provide to students on the platform. You can be earning money with another way on Studypool, and that way is by becoming a tutor. As a tutor, you can answer student questions and get paid for your expertise. The application process to become a tutor is a little bit more rigorous, but it's a great way to earn reliable income using your knowledge. It's a chance to directly help students while also earning money for your time and expertise. In addition to answering student questions, tutors can also provide more in-depth services such as helping students understand complex concepts, reviewing and providing feedback on essays, and even helping students prepare for exams. I would say the opportunities for tutors on Studypool are vast and varied, which makes it an excellent platform for anyone with knowledge to share. Studypool is a 24/7 online study help website where students pay for access to services like homework assistance, essay help, tutoring, and pre-written study documents uploaded by other users. For example, you can take a look at the featured document sections where you can find some papers that students have uploaded and other learners can purchase access to. To show you how it works, let's click on this example document, and as you can see when I try to unlock it, Studypool asks me to create an account or login first. And once you're logged in, and as you can see, there are numerous subject options to choose from, including business, humanities, math, science, engineering, and so on. And if hopefully you have deep knowledge in at least one of these subjects, then you can leverage on the platform. Now to explain exactly how Studypool generates revenue, when you first sign up, Studypool shows you a different subscription plan that gives students full access to the materials and documents on the site. So for example, there's a monthly subscription. When students purchase these subscriptions, Studypool will then take a cut and then share the revenue with content creators like you whenever your documents are viewed or downloaded. And to start profiting, simply go to Sell Docs section where you're able to upload any study material that you have, such as class notes, old assignments, papers, study guides, and so on. Studypool says active sellers can realistically earn up to $5,000 per month through this program. And the great thing is that you can upload your content just once and then keep passively earning month after month to new students who continually purchase access to your documents. Your documents will stay on the site, earning you residual income as long as you'd like. It's an excellent way to monetize content that you've already created to create a kind of passive income stream. And that will be all on today's video. Hopefully that this provided a clear overview on how you can get started with making money on Studypool. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable to watch, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any useful content that we create.